Using a prepaid Visa gift card on Valorant is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, ensure that your prepaid Visa gift card has sufficient funds to cover the purchase you want to make. To use your prepaid Visa gift card on Valorant, start by launching the game and navigating to the in-game store. In the store, select the items you want to purchase and click the Buy button. Next, you will be prompted to select your payment method. Choose the credit or debit card option, as prepaid Visa gift cards are typically processed as credit cards. Enter your prepaid Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any errors. If your prepaid Visa gift card has a zip code or address associated with it, you may be prompted to enter this information as well. This is a security measure to verify the card details. Once you have entered all the required information, review your purchase and click Confirm to complete the transaction. If the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation message and the items you purchased will be added to your account. It is essential to note that some prepaid Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on online transactions, so make sure to check the terms and conditions of your card before making a purchase. Additionally, keep your prepaid Visa gift card details secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily use your prepaid Visa gift card on Valorant and enjoy your gaming experience.